in module 1 they will not ask right or left. They will not ask from you about something that you don't know, so no need to be scared. First of all, you have to focus on your wordings, your grammar, how to do that. They will just give you 5 of the papers, okay? And in that papers there is two things you have to focus. One, the teacher will ask from you some of the questions, and then after that she will see how you can answer them, okay? So first of all, I don't know which books you people are reading, which level you are right now. So in module 1 there will be two tasks, there will be two, you can say obgeva, two tests. In the first, the teacher will ask from you some of the questions which is related to your topics. There will be only 5 topics, not more than that, and they will tell you to select from your own, okay? And just remember one thing, the topics you will take, just take that one on which you can answer the teacher question. For example, she gave you, or you choose metabaida, okay? It's your working. So there will be a ticket on which I told you I will share with you. In that ticket the teacher will ask related to question. What first, maybe she will ask where your workplace. The second, what time you go to the work. Third, okay, what time you finish from your work, how many days you have work, how many days you have off. And after that she will ask how many colleagues you have in your workplace. And the more important question which you have to prepare, this is first module's favorite teacher's question about your break, which we call pause. So you have to prepare when they will ask that how long your break is and what you do in that break. Okay, this is the most favorite, in especially in Halarab. And the last one, this is also very important question, which she will ask that what you take to go to your workplace. For example, you took bus, you took train, or you go by walk, or you go by cycle. This is one question. And the other one, she asks how long it will take from your home to your. These are the main questions. And she will ask 10 questions. You have to answer 7. If you answer 7, that means you are passed. This is the first which she will ask from you. And after that, she will tell you, okay, now you can select any of your topic. For example, you have 3 topics, mitabaida means sports, school, or your free till activity, or any topic you take. From these 3 you have to take one. And then just randomly you will just say to her about what is the written in the topic, and just you have to take answer according to that. This is also will the same pattern will go through in module 2 as well. So what you are preparing for module 1, it will go to the module 2. Okay, so you just only have to prepare these questions, not more than that. One you have to answer, and the other one she will you have to describe. Like for example, if you took min Laila Hill, in that min Laila Hill you have to answer what she is saying, and in other you have to question from her. Keep in mind the question which your teacher is asking, the same questions you can ask from her. So these two things, that one you are preparing for your teacher questioning, and the other you are preparing for your own answering. First you will question, or she will question, and in other you will question from her. So she will just check that whether there is one more important thing. Try to make more questions with HV. If you will make more question with HV, she will give you the more means numbers, and she can understand that okay, you are trying and you know about Danish. HV means, like for example, va or vim or volange. These are the main questions. If you want to make, then try to make HV questions. These are the most important. So don't worry. In module 1, module 1 is very easy, very easy. Just try to focus on some of the questions and try to make from your own. This is the simplest and easiest thing you can.
Yeah,
Yes.
so basically there are only, the exam is only oral exam first of all. Monthly means oral exam, and it has two parts or two tasks, or you can say two tasks or two objective you will do. In first objective, that for the first objective, your teacher will give you the 5 or 6 pages before the exam, like 1 week before exam, and these 5 pages or 6 pages will be about these topics. Boli mit Arbeiter, min Boli mit Arbeiter, or Freetil, Pro School, about your language school, your internship, if you are doing min practic or mit study, or about your studies. So these 6 pages, she will show you that you have to choose two of them. class, and she will ask you to choose two topics from these six topics. And for then you will prepare those two topics for 1 week. Maybe in our class she gave us 1 week or 2 weeks before, and we prepare it. You have to write two sentences about each block, and in total you have to answer, like Dr. Amara said, that you are passed if you answer just seven, and if you answer more than that, that's well done. So if I choose Minboli, so you have to answer.
Exam day, the two paper would lie flip upside down, and you have to choose randomly one of them, and you have to speak about that topic.
Meta Baida, for example, if you have chosen, then you need to write two sentences about your work. Uh, Try to use just simple and like short sentences. There is no assessment of your difficult words. They just want to know that you have learned how to make sentence. So just focus on simplest sentences. Arbeit Aufgabe, it means what you do on your workplace. Just simple sentences like this. And these mind maps will be provided to you on your own choice few days before. And you have to prepare both of them. But on the exam day, you will randomly choose one. So I must say that you should prepare all the blocks, all the mind maps, both in both the topics.
Yes, and just there is one more thing I have to add, that you can write, they are giving you this mind map, so you can write some of the words which can help you. For example, in these mind maps they are allowed to take, and you can just write, for example, one word you forgot, like wo mange khulega haru. So you know that you can forget that wo mange, so you can just write one or two words in your mind map. They allow you these things in the test.
Yeah, this is a key point. She said that you are allowed to write, so you should write. Now I will tell you about second of give. Second of give is in the first of give, like you have just told, just an interview type. But in the second of give, the assessment is basically how you make questions. So it's about your learning how you make questions to someone. So in this I will show you that of Gave 2, she will give you a paper on which there will be a person, and similarly mind map will be there like in of Gave 1, but there will be some pictures like this. And then she will ask, who is he? Then you will say Hana Yakub or Hana Cook. And similarly, you can say, then for each picture, you have to make one or two questions. Like wo arbeiten, you can ask Wilken wo arbeiten I, but the same tip, focus on smallest sentences and easiest sentences. Similarly, you can make for day and time. Va tila molahen, simplest questions you should make, and Arbeitsaufgabe, Walewahen, Wahensaufgabe, Aufgabe two questions. So basically, Objective 2 is assessment of your question making skills. Similarly, we will share Module 2 exam pattern, and good luck for your exam. Especially thank you, Dr. Amara, for your contribution in this meeting.